Chicken wings have not been this good. All right, food lovers, gather round. Because today, we're taking ordinary chicken wings to legendary level. And it all starts with one secret: Royal Tiso hot pepper sauce. Now, I know what you're thinking. Another hot sauce. Oh no, not this one. This is something special, crafted with care, naturally preserved, low in sodium, no sugar, and led with flavor upon flavor. Royal Tiso isn't just about heat, it's about depth. Every bottle holds a story of bold flavors, rich aromas, and that perfect balance that makes your taste buds dance. Watch this. We're using Royal Tiso as both a marinade and a dip. That's bold heat, smoky depth, tangy brightness, and savory harmony, all coming alive right before your eyes. Can you smell that? Oh yes, that's Royal Tiso working its magic. The aroma alone could get anyone running to the kitchen. Now, take your wings, give them a dip. Go on, be brave. That's the power of Royal Tiso. It doesn't just spice your food, it transforms it. Chicken wings taken to new culinary heights. Royal Tiso, goodness in the bottle, and makes you a better chef. Available now at www.royaltiso.com and also in your local stores. Grab yours today, and trust me, you'll thank me later.